Colour wastage. Why is it so important? Apart from rent and wages, hair colour is one of the major expense areas in the salon, but it can be one of the best revenue generators. Colour wastage can be a big problem, but if you have the right system, it can be kept under control with a few simple tips. A chemical bucket for excess colour stops chemicals and your money going down the drain and into our waterways, which is a great thing. Weighing your colour formulas with digital scales every time saves you money and the environment. So let's say you waste 1,000 grams of colour a week in a busy salon. That's 60 grams per application for a regrowth. That's an equivalent of about 16.5 regrowths. Let's say you're charging $70 a regrowth. That's around about $1,155 you could have made with that waste colour. I'd prefer to have the money. What about you? We give repurposed clear plastic tubs to our waste-free salons who need help in this area. The idea is that each colourist has their name on the lid. All of the colour wastage gets scraped into it. And because it's clear, you can see what the level is, and so can everybody else. At the end of the week, it all gets scraped into a larger bucket and then weighed. So record the amount for the salon and try to reduce it for the next week. So no cheating, okay? Make it a competition. Reward the team members who waste the least amount of colour in the salon, because it's actually saving you money. So we have waste-free salons using this system. It really makes a difference, and it's not always the people you think who are the wasters. Sometimes it could be the boss. So here are a few tips to reduce. Consult every time, particularly if you're having a style change. Possibly cut first if you're going from long to short. Batch smaller amounts so you've not got any wastage. And if you only have 5 foils to go, make sure that you only mix up the minimum, say 5 mils of colour and 5 mils of peroxide. Look, I hope this helps. It's just another part of our service to help save you money and the environment.